Hi, I'm James Heimbuck, the product manager for the testing group at the Verify stage in GitLab. Today, I have Juan Ramirez with me as well, the product designer. Today, we'll be previewing some of the items that the testing team is working on for the upcoming 13.3 milestone. You'll find a link to the 13.3 kickoff page with links to these items and the Verify stage direction page with discussion of all of our future work in the comments below this video. You can always reach me at jheimbuck@gitlab.com or through comments on items with the group testing label in the GitLab project. So today I want to highlight two items that the team is going to be working on for the 13.3 release. The first item is our first step in delivering code coverage data for all projects in a group on a single page. So the first step is going to be to provide data through a download, which we'll be doing in issue number 215.104. This data is a roll-up of all code coverage data that's being calculated for each of the group's projects. So by providing this as a CSV like we do for a single project's data, you can import that data into a spreadsheet or some other tool to visualize and slice and dice as you need, but without having to visit every individual project and pull the data down manually. The second item I want to talk about today and that the team is going to be working on is to improve the performance of the JUnit report. This feature, the JUnit report, was introduced first back in 12.5, but it's been turned off by default on gitlab.com and as part of the install due to some performance issues for really large tests. So the team is making a change so that individual JUnit.xml files won't be loaded until a user's drilled into that file specifically. This will help dramatically speed up the report for projects with a large number of tests, like the GitLab project. And then this will be the feature will be turned on by default on gitlab.com after this work is completed and we're happy with the page speed. I'm going to hand it over to Juan, who's going to talk through some of the usability improvements that we're going to be making as well to the JUnit report in the milestone.
Thanks, James. So I'm going to share my screen quickly. All right, so yeah, as James mentioned, we are also planning to do some usability improvements. I think this image, it's a good summary of the issues that we currently have with the JUnit report. Most of the issues that we currently have are related to the density of data and how it's being presented on this table. So in this milestone, we're also exploring how to make this table better. I mean, besides the idea of fixing the evident visual bugs that we have, the idea is to make this table much more flexible so we can accommodate more things as we add new values and new data to the JUnit report. A more real example is this one in this pipeline, where you can see things are getting truncated and it's not very easy for the customers to see what's going on unless they hover. So yeah, we're just trying to improve the overall horizontal real estate of this table and making it more flexible as we keep growing this feature. Back to you, James.
Cool. Thanks, Juan. So as always, we welcome feedback through discussion on these issues in this video, or you can always email me at jheimbuck@gitlab.com about these or any other issues in the testing backlog. Thanks.
Thanks.